Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at NVDA on the daily, weekly, monthly time frames using technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. If you like these videos, go to my website, sign up, or click down here in the bottom right hand corner and subscribe to my YouTube channels. We've been doing a lot of live streams. Come check us out, bring a symbol, and we'll look at it like we're doing with NVIDIA today. Alright, NVIDIA daily chart, $5.21 up, a little bit up after hours. On, was it 16 million shares traded, 3.43% green on the day. Just like everything else, we find a low pivot, and this thing's just climbing with the markets. With the overall SPY, guys, SPY goes up, everything for the most part moves higher. We did recapture the 50 MA, so it's in a little bit of a stronger stance. But man, what a butt kicking on this one. This was the stock of the year, guys, coming off this high pivot. Comes in, retraces, comes in, retraces, comes in, retraces, comes in, another retrace. We're at the 618 retrace coming off this. Here, let's put it in a little bit tighter. Coming off this high to that low, 618 with the 50 MA right there. Next big area, 162.21, and then we're going to fill this gap here around 170 and then possibly 174. But 300, guys, we're at 156. All right, still in the lower end range, just like Apple. This should be leading, guys. Why isn't this thing should be at 200 at least, going for the 200 MA? That's telling me they're waiting on earnings and they're waiting on seeing where these markets go, guys. I mean, this should never have been at 300 in my opinion. 150, even at 150. All right, and I'll show you in a minute on the monthly chart. So again, down, sideways, chopping around, a little bit stronger of a stance now. But now we have the 200 over the 50 over the 20. Slowly but surely, this could be a downtrending stock. If the 20 MA curls, starts to go the other way, then we're going to see right now. But right now, this is looking a little bit ugly. Going into earnings, another 50-50 shot on NVIDIA. Weekly chart did not kiss the 200 MA, guys. That's the only reason why. It's got to hit it. This is like the shore. This is the ocean. Once it gets stretched, it's got to come back down, just like Apple. And I showed you guys on AMD as well. It's got to hit this, okay? When this thing was flying, I was telling everybody, weekly 200 MA will be my target. Unfortunately, it missed it by $5, but it was damn well close. Took a little bit, but let me tell you, when you get a high flyer like this is hard to kill. This trend, great spacing, and then next thing you know, lights out. This one just rug pull. So everyone who was buying 280, 270, 260, getting smoked right now. Gosh, on this one though, short-term retrace, weekly looks a little bit better. I mean, we're still holding the 200 moving average. I still think we're going to come down and kiss this. If we do come right back down, I'm going to be looking a lot lower, guys, more or less around the $100 area. If this comes in, markets come in, SPY and everything, this will be a $100 stock, possibly lower. All right, still haven't kissed the 200. We need to hit that. I wish it would have. Then it would have gave me a little more confidence for this thing to keep moving up. Again, 155.69, 162, 175 up here, or this high red bar. That will be the big area. On earnings, we could blast right through it. Then we'll be looking at 200. If we fall, I'll be looking at the $100 area. Man, this one's still, from this high pivot, guys, still in this lower range. A little bit stretched from the 20, just like we play the high flyers on the monthly. So this could come back and kiss this one. So we're going to see what it brings us. Big earnings coming up in the next couple of weeks. We're going to see where this one goes. Let's look at a monthly. Monthly chart time frame, again, hasn't kissed the 50 MA either. We talked about the 20 being target. Blast right through it, right to the 50 MA down in this area. Holding strong down in here. The monthly looks a little better, almost a big reversal here. We'll see if we will reverse this whole big red candle. If we do, on the monthly close, we close in February 1st. We're above this one. This one will be a little stronger. I could see the 208 or possibly 220 coming in on this one. If we stay in this lower range and continue to consolidate, I think this one's setting up for much lower prices. 100 would be the first target. I think we're going lower. And usually, let me tell you guys, it's the 200 MA on all the time frames. This one's at 39. I don't know if we're going to 39, but if we do, markets are in trouble. So watch this area in here, around $100. This is great up consolidation support when this one's coming down. So let's see if we can tag that. If not, we'll get direction on earnings. Right now, if you have a position in NVIDIA, make sure it's a little bit smaller. 50-50 shot going into the earnings call. I'm not sure what date it is, but it's got to be coming up soon. So be careful with NVIDIA. But right now, just weak, trying to grind higher. We'll see where this one brings us in the next couple of weeks. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Come to the live sessions. Check us out. Don't forget to sign up at StockBookie.com. Like the video, all that good stuff. Send me a comment, StockBookie@gmail.com. I'll get back to you. Let me know if you want to look at some other charts. So, all right, guys, NVIDIA, thanks for stopping by. God bless. See you on the charts.